What's up, JC Empire? So we're back with another video, but this time it's a different type of video. It's a DIY how to make slime video. So it's very different for us. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will get into this video right now.
Bam. So
who are you?
Oh, it's your boy JBrad. And this lovely lady here is.
Okay, my name. I'm Chas. Okay, y'all. So he gonna introduce the ingredients. Come on.
All right. So you only need 5 different things. You need the 2 ingredients that we need is liquid starch.
It's safer than borax. So children, please have your parents with you at all times.
All times.
You want to do experiments and DIYs.
Hey, y'all remember when we was back in school and you thought you was a cool kid because you had the glittery glue?
Yeah, that was like, yeah, glit.
Regular glue is good as well too, but you know, baby had to be perfect.
Okay, y'all.
All right.
What else?
We got 3 utensils that we need.
Measuring cup. A spoon with a dab of ranch. And a bowl. A bowly.
On a rolly with a dab of ranch. I already got some designer to hold on my pants.
I just wanna, come on. Okay, so now we're gonna get into how to prep the video. Yeah, hopefully it comes out right, y'all. This is our first time making it. So yeah. So what you're gonna do first is add half a cup of starch to the bowl. Half a cup, baby. Go. You gave it a little more. Just a little teeny. You're gonna pour that into the bowl. Or your parents. Pour. You can do it. Then you're gonna add 1 bottle of glue to the starch.
The whole bottle?
That's all. That's good.
Basically, there's more coming out, babe.
Okay, that's fine. That's good. Jay. So y'all, he just still going. Doing the most. Working hard. So now what you're going to do is stir the mixture together.
Just keep swaying.
So now y'all, what y'all gonna do after y'all stir for about 20-30 minutes, because that's what it feels like. I just gave up from stirring. So y'all just gonna use your hands to squish it around to basically get a consistency that you like. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because he's scared. This feels so... Babe, really? It's getting there, y'all. It's over. It feels weird, don't it?
I like a booger.
Yeah, what you know my boogers feel like. You talking about me making a mess. You flicking it all off the bowl. Look at the freaking rest.
Here we go. Slime.
Is this how it's supposed to be? Like, oh.
Make sure y'all put the comments below.
And
Yeah, I know y'all see me bending over. I'm pretty tall.
he's real tall. Let me see. Alright, y'all, so it wasn't an all the way fail because it's actually turned into the actual slime.
Glittery slime.
Glittery slime. Glittery. So yeah, I hope y'all guys like this DIY. And if y'all want more slime videos, let us know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up.
And And let's leave. Hey.
Roll to 2K.
Hey, get this video at least 100 likes, please. Just we going slow. 100 likes, please. At least.
It's free, y'all. It's free to like this video and it's free to subscribe. So why not help us subscribe?
Subscribe, hit that bell, ring a ding a ling, and get us to 100 likes. And y'all get us to 200 likes, I'm gonna slap in the face with it. So let's see it.
He will. I think he will.
Y'all want to get slap her with it.
No.
200 likes, but at least 100, please.
All right, y'all. Until next time, we'll see y'all later.